Hello YouTube, Sid here with another trade recap. Today is Sunday and I'm doing this trade recap of a trade that I took on Friday because I was busy last 2 days and didn't get enough time to do a recap video. So on Friday when market opens at 9:30, everything was kind of like a choppy. There was no momentum, no particular news or anything. Stock was not there was nothing that was like seems obvious to take a trade on. And then I found this stock, so FLGC or Flora Growth Corp was a third leading gapper on Friday, and it was kind of like showing that momentum because this stock is kind of like recently IPO'd, and it was showing the momentum, but that momentum was not strong, at least not at the beginning of market on Friday. So I was watching this stock and charting this stock at the same time, and I saw that it was forming this bullish pennant pattern, and it broke, as you can see here on this candle at 10:15. It broke that uh, pattern. It was started making higher highs, and I thought like, okay, it's time now. So then it start consolidating a little bit, and again it start pushing higher. So I thought like, okay, this is the time I need to jump into the trade because it seems like momentum is picking up. And I bought 100 shares on this candle. Then again, because of this candle, I thought like it's going to pop up, and I bought 300 shares more. So on average I bought 400 shares for 11.98. What happened next, as you can see, it came down significantly, and then it started consolidating in this area. I was holding all those 400 shares. If you are a day trader, if stock is not going in direction that you expected it to go, then you have to cut your losses. The best approach for a day trading is to cut your losses. If you feel that your trade is not going according to your plan, then the best way is to cut the losses and jump in to another trade when the setup is right. If the setup is not right, then it's better to stay away from the market. Don't take any trade for the day, because that will save your account from that will save you basically from losing a lot of money, because you never know like what's going to happen next. As in this case, this stock was consolidating for a while. It was consolidating for almost 45 minutes or so before it broke out, and when it broke out, it almost reached to $13. My price target when I bought all this 400 share, my price target was to sell it with like 50 cents gain per share, but that didn't happen. But as you can see, like it was forming this curve, kind of like a double bottom. Then it broke out and made high of the day around like $13. But that, if you see the price action, this price action was not solid or continuous, so it's kind of like hard to hold the stocks, specifically big quantity of the stock. Obviously I lose money on this trade, as I can show you here. So first I bought 100 shares at 11.92. As it was moving higher, I added 300 shares more, and then because of his price action, I sold everything at 11.37. So on an average, I lose $245. But that's not all doom and gloom scenario. I lost money that I made in last 2 weeks, but still I'm green just by $50. It's not that much. My target was around making around like $1,000 to $2,000. Obviously I don't see that I'm going to make that much amount of money, considering only there are only 7 days left, 7 days of trading left in this month. But I'm not sad, I'm not disappointed, because I'm heading into the right direction. My technical analysis is getting stronger, entry points are accurate, so I am optimistic and I will start making money again. This last 2 weeks I made so stupid decisions. I will back on Monday. Tomorrow I will take another trade. Hopefully it will be a green day, it will be a big green day. I will wait for particular setup because I'm tired of losing money and taking trades just to hope it to go high. So I will wait for a setup and then I will take a particular trades only with best setups. Thank you for watching this video. If you learn something from it, give it a thumbs up and comment if you have done similar things like I did on Friday. Also, keep this in mind, this is just for educational purposes. If you want to invest, obviously learn everything about trading, terminology, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, volume patterns, and all those other things. Understand, do paper trading if you are not feeling comfortable with trading with real money. If you still have doubt, you can consult someone who is in the position to guide you in a certain direction, like a financial advisor and so on and so forth. See you in my next trade.